healthy. Good health is priceless wealth. Exercise regularly and eat the right food. Sabi ni Father, natawa ang hindi ko kanina sa sermon niya na yung pagkain, no? We are what we eat. Itama. And then sabi ni Father, dapat once in a while, i-lesson natin yung pagkain. But mas importante yung you eat the right food. Avoid indulging in vices. Ito mga vices natin, mag-high school ka next year. Baka mag-umpisa na rin kayo nalagay o tumikim ng bill or alak. Don't ever indulge in vices. 4. Read, study, and don't waste time. Time is our most important resource, not money. Hindi ko pera. Time. So don't waste time. 5. Don't be afraid to fail. Don't be afraid to fail. In life, we don't always win. Sometimes we lose or fail. But failure is not permanent and it offers lessons. So yung mga manatalo sa honors ngayon, you have a next time. If you strive to have a next time, if you notice there's no such thing as permanent honors. So this should be a challenge. 6. Pray always. Ito ang malungkot. Kailan tayo nagdadasal? Kung pasalamat, very good. I heard that from the grade 6. You pray to thank God. But most often than not, when do we pray? Kung may kailangan. When there is crisis, kaya na yung global crisis, just go. Tulungan mo ako. Kasi may crisis. But when we are joyful, when we are at the pedestal, pag walang problema, sometimes we forget the source of everything, and that is God. So may I request you, my children, and also you, my dear parents, always pray. Ito lang po, I have taught Father now and again, na I always cling to God. Kasi siya lang po the source of my strength, my being, my life. If you do that, especially in time of crisis, you will never be abandoned. And 7, practice positive thinking. Relax lang tayo, may problema. Huwag magpanik. Karamihan sa atin magpanik. And I tell you, this positive thinking is, I would say, more profitable than thinking negatively. It will help a lot. And then the last, think globally. We are lucky that my father came agad na he worked out on internet access. We try our best to have this so that we can compete globally. Whatever you dream or your plan, think beyond. Hindi lang Agtao, hindi lang Philippines, also abroad. We are living in the most exciting period in human history with globalization, internet, and borderless cooperation. Let us always ask the powerful intercession of our soul patroness, Saint Teresa of the Child Jesus, to master every challenging transition. I wish you success in all your endeavors. To you, dear parents, congratulations. and thank you for having continuously guided your children, sacrificing even your own lives for their education. Please walk with them, rejoice and cry with them, and never abandon them, especially in times of problems and trials. Huwag po natin pagalitan or yung pag-iipin natin sila when they give us problems. We parents be the first one to stand with them. Huwag walang iwanan, dapat, especially our children. Journey together in God's ways. May I take this opportunity once again to express my thanks, as I have said earlier, for your big, big hearts. Alam niyo, God always inspired because parents are always there, ready to give, ready to share. Pag face natin ang school, may pakiusap ang school, ready. Walang, it's not difficult to ask for you. Well, sabi ko nga, it is because you parents understand and care for your children. Because what we ask for you and we ask from you are not for us, but for your children. To Father Dick, our school director, to my fellow educators and staff, thank you for another bountiful harvest. Without your unselfish services, long and persevering patience, out of love to these kids and gospel to us, this important event will not be celebrated. I pray that our Jesus Christ, the perfect teacher, bless you with the best of health, renew your vigor and enthusiasm, and reward you with long, happy, and peaceful lives. And to all of you present here, who have always schooled by us and helped us in any way, especially our sponsors for scholarship in the grade school department, I would like to single out Mr. and Mrs. Fulgencio Limao Sr. and Engineer Mobile for working out the website. Thank you so much from the bottom of our hearts. May your pride increase. God bless us and keep us in great care. Again, congratulations to all.